Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, most of the people are trying to earn money through their smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you an application that will help you to earn money. Watch this video till the end to know more about this application. So, let's get started.
Visita hari väntan och spela lite Dota.
Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and definitely click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Our application's name is called ONEAD. This application is available in Play Store and also I will give its link in the description so you can download it from there. You must register in this application using the referral code showing on the screen. Now let's see the details of this application, how to work, how does it works, and how we can earn money.
ONEAD is an app which helps you to earn with zero investment. This can be installed by Android users. ONEAD can be used easily by referring it to your friends, and you can also earn money. You can also have great savings, as on your lock screen of your phone you can see great deals and great offers. You can also check the network growth and also see how many people are connected under you, and you can easily see the details of your friends on level 1. You will be paid on daily basis and all the information about your balance and expected salary will be shown on your screen, and you can easily withdraw the money in your bank just by one click. You can also see your earning and members on each level at your screen. You can also see your recharge history and balance. To withdraw cash, you need to fill your bank details in the application so that you can easily transfer your ONEAD earning to bank account. ONEAD is a free application. You do not need to click post or anything on your phone. You just need to share it with your friends. If you want to see the result, keep it for at least 14 days. Don't uninstall it in 2 to 3 days.
So I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any doubt, then please comment below the video.